guys, what's up? Charms here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Charms and I make videos about beauty, fashion, travel, and lifestyle. But in today's video, as you can see from the title, we are gonna make Dalgona Coffee. Before anything else, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now and click the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I post a new video. So, Dalgona Coffee is very much trending right now all over the internet. This coffee trend was actually made famous on TikTok. Yung mga dances and entertainment yung makikita natin sa TikTok. But aside from that, there are also other genres like this, food, or... By the way, if you're on TikTok, please follow me also on TikTok. So, I just created a TikTok account. It's Charmsia. I'll see you guys on TikTok as well, okay? So, going back to Dalgona Coffee, I've seen this Dalgona Coffee trend on Facebook, Instagram. So, I've decided why not try to make this Dalgona Coffee. Also very curious on how this coffee tastes like. If you're interested as well, please keep on watching this video. Okay, so first we need a bowl. This is where we're gonna mix all the ingredients. First one, we need 2 tablespoons of coffee. Sabi nila it has to be instant coffee granules, but since we do not have coffee granules right now, it's gonna be using what we have here, the powder one. Next, we need sugar. So 2 tablespoons as well. Okay, so that's 1. Right. I don't know how this will taste. I'm very curious kung sobrang tamis ba niya, sobrang ano ba yung magiging lasa, more on the coffee side or on the milk side. And then next, we need 2 tablespoons of hot water to melt the coffee and the sugar. Okay, so yan. Here's the thing, in making Dalgona coffee, you need to use an electric hand mixer to mix all of the ingredients until it becomes frothy or foamy. Another option is to use a whisk. We do not have that as well, or it's right there inside the kitchen cabinets and I don't want to go looking for it right now. So instead, I'm just going to be using etong utensil that is readily available, which is a spoon. So I'm pretty sure most of you will be able to relate if ever you're gonna try making this coffee as well. So let's start now. And let's see how long this is gonna take. Alright, I hope na hindi sobrang tagal. I'm excited to find out how this coffee tastes like. So let's continue. Guys, i-timer natin. Tingnan natin kung how long this is gonna take to mix. Okay, start. Okay, continue whisking or mixing. Diyan lang kayo guys ha. I wonder if you guys are also thinking about making this coffee as well. Diba nakaka-curious kasi? I'm not sure kung magugustuhan ko siya or hindi. I do love coffee, but pag nag-coffee ako, yung black lang, gusto ko. I don't really put sugar. Ayoko nung matamis mo. The foamy texture. Diba? As you can see, very dark. Pero, magically, mag-turn into light brown to. Parang ka-color ng peanut butter. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Mag-light brown ka na, please. Excited na ako i-try yung Dalgona Coffee. Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Look guys, nagkakaroon na siya ng mga tiny bubbles. So how are you guys during this quarantine time? I hope that you're all staying safe, doing ways to keep yourselves healthy, exercise din, wag puro Netflix and chill ha. So, it's okay to Netflix and chill instead of lumalabas. But find some time then to keep yourselves healthy. Huwag masyadong mag-eat ng mga junk foods. Try to eat your veggies every day and exercise. Yeah. And don't forget to disinfect the surroundings. Oh, matagal-tagal pa to. This better be good, no? Kasi ang effort ko dito, guys. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best, alright? Look. Here. Still dark in color. So guys, kung plano nyo rin gumawa ng Dalgona Coffee, watch this video para sabay tayong mag-mix. Meron kayong kadami sa pag-mix ng coffee na to. Try ko nga gumamit ng fork. Baka mas mabilis siya. Compared to spoon. Ayan. I'm using a fork now. Pagsabayin ko na kaya. Fork tsaka spoon. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Medyo nag-lighten. Parang na siyang milk chocolate. I'm still gonna keep on mixing kasi I want to achieve yung medyo light brown na color. So, be right back! For ilang minutes na ba ako nagmi-mix dito? It says here, sa stopwatch ko, 38 na. Yung consistent, medyo nagpupos-pos ako. As you can see, nakakatuwa dahil sobrang naging thicker na siya, tapos naging lighter na yung color niya. But I'm still gonna keep on mixing because I want to achieve yung light brown na color na. Okay, I think this is already good, you guys. Thicker na siya, frothy, foamy, and light brown na yung color. So, let's proceed with the next step. Let's pour the milk now. Yung iba, lalagyan nila ng ice, but ayoko kasi ng malamig. There. Perfect na. And nalagay na lang natin yung ating foam. Ganyan natin siya. Diba, ang tagal natin ito pinaghirapan. Wow. Saya. Feeling ko nag-work ako sa coffee shop. Ang cute, you guys. Look at it. So nice. So there's the finished product. Finally, natapos na din natin tong ating Dalgona Coffee. Hindi man masyadong sobrang naging light brown, but at least foamy siya. I think I'm good with this. So, now, try na natin kung anong lasa. Sana worth it yung pag-mix natin. So, tikman na natin kung anong lasa nitong Dalgona Coffee na ginawa natin. I hope na masarap siya. Oops, haluin muna natin. I forgot to mix. Uy! Sobrang coffee na na. Nice. Sarap. Pati sa part na ito, may pag-mix na din. Patience. Pero mukha nang masarap. So, tinignan ko yung upper part. Still a long way to go. Sobrang milky pa ng ilalim. Tapos nasa ibabaw pa din yung coffee. I think this is it. It's good. Ito na, nag-combine na siya together. Tingnan natin din. Ito na. Tikman na natin kung anong lasa ng Dalgona Coffee. I didn't quite expect na ganito yung magiging lasa niya. Kala ko sobrang tamis and sobrang tapang ng coffee kasi, di ba, 2 tablespoons each. But, turns out, yung lasa niya is very milky. Siguro ang dami ko din kasing nilagay na milk. Siguro ang dami ko din kasing nilagay na milk. So, probably next time, I'll use a smaller cup para balance lang yung milk and yung coffee niya. Try nyo na din to. And guys, comment nyo din sa baba kung na-try nyo na tong Dalgona Coffee na to. And what can you say about it? Nagustuhan nyo ba siya, guys? Just wanna hear your thoughts about this trending coffee. Did you guys like it or not? Ako nagustuhan ko siya. How about you guys? Nagustuhan nyo din ba? Oh yeah, it's successful. That's just about it for this video. I hope that you like this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, it's me, Charm, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.